How do we detect cleft lip and cleft palate during pregnancy? Cleft lip and palate are birth defects in an unborn baby where the lip or palate doesn't form correctly during the pregnancy. Cleft lip and palate can occur due to genetic associations or sometimes without any direct genetic link. Therefore, it is crucial to investigate chromosomal associations and assess for other structural deformities during prenatal scans. How soon can we detect this in pregnancy? Ultrasound scan plays a crucial role in detecting cleft lip and palate. However, identifying cleft palate alone can be challenging in the ultrasound scan. These problems are more noticeable during the second trimester anomaly scan. When this condition is confirmed, seeking the opinion of a plastic surgeon is advisable before the baby's birth to understand the complexity of treatment and outcome. Fortunately, cleft lip is relatively straightforward to treat through surgeries, but in the case of a cleft palate, the treatment outcome may be challenging as it is associated with speech and hearing problems in the baby. There are several organizations and initiatives that provide support for individuals and families affected by cleft lip and palate. You can check the details below and follow me for more informative videos.